Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just check recently watched reels on Instagram. So I'm going to show you two ways which are quite effective. What you can do, you have to click on the reels over here, like you have liked this reel, and you have just scroll all the way down and you just get bored and come back to the home page again and you want to watch that reel again. So what you can do, until you just turn off your Instagram and just go back to your any other activity like WhatsApp something, what you can do, you can just click on the reel part over here and you come back to the reel where you left and you can just swipe toward top and you can see that reel where you have left. Another thing which you can do, you have to just click on like option over here and click on the profile, click on the three lines, click on your activity, choose likes on the very top and you can see the reel which you have liked recently. So that's all for this video. I hope you like the video. If you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.